Three simple AI income streams anyone can start in 2025. AI is replacing millions of jobs, but what most people don't realize is that it can also pay you. Right now, while everyone is panicking about AI taking over, smart people are quietly using it to build new income streams without coding, without experience, and without needing a big budget. Some of them are earning $100, $500, even $1,000 a day, all by using free AI tools you probably already have access to. In this video, I'll show you three simple AI income streams for anyone. Yes, even you can start right now. But before we dive in, if you are serious about learning how to make money online using AI and want step-by-step guides every week, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell because I post new videos that can literally change the way you earn money this year. Alright, so let's get started with AI income stream number 1, Faceless YouTube channel. This is one of the easiest and most scalable AI income streams you can start in 2025. You don't need to show your face. You don't even need to record your voice. AI tools can do everything from scripting to voiceovers to video editing, and here exactly how it works. Start with ChatGPT to write your video script. Just type something like, write me a 5-minute YouTube script about the richest countries in the world. And you will have a full video script ready in seconds. Then use 11 Labs or Agent to turn that script into a realistic voiceover. Those tools sound incredibly natural. You can even pick the tone, gender, and accent to match your video style. Next, use Pika Labs or One-Way ML to create your visual or edit your video. You can generate AI clips, add effects, or combine them with stock footage to make your video look professional, even if you are never edited before. Now, upload 2 to 3 videos per week and stay consistent. As your channel grows, you will earn from YouTube ads, affiliate links, or sponsorships, all while staying completely anonymous. If you start today and keep posting consistently, you could build your own AI-powered cash flow channel in just a few months. If you want me to make a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a faceless YouTube channel using AI, comment faceless AI below and I'll make that my next video. AI income stream number 2, AI freelancing. This is perfect if you want to make money fast and don't want to wait for YouTube channel to grow. With freelancing, you can start earning this week, even if you never worked online before. Here how it's worked. Step number 1, pick a service you can offer. It could be writing blog articles, create social media posts, designing graphic, or writing product descriptions. Step number 2, use ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting. You can literally type comments like, write a 1,000 word blog about healthy eating, or create 10,000 Instagram caption for a clothing brand, or write a SEO friendly product description for a coffee shop. Then you just tweak what ChatGPT gives you to match your client tones and you are done. Step number 3, use Canva for design and visual. Canva new AI tools like Magic Write and Magic Design help you create professional graphics and ads in minutes. Finally, list your services on Fiverr, Upwork, or OnlineJob.ph. Start small, maybe $20 to $50 per project, and raise your prices as you gain experience. That's the beauty of AI freelancing. AI does 80% of the work for you, you just polish it up. So if you want to make quick money in 2025 without starting a business or showing your face, AI freelancing is a great place to start. If you want me to show you exactly how to create a Fiverr profile and start getting clients using AI, comment AI freelancing below and I will walk you through it step by step. AI income stream number 3, selling AI templates, digital products. Now, let's move on to one of my personal favorites, selling AI templates and digital products. This is the ultimate passive income stream. You create something once and sell it over and over again. No clients, no deadlines, no meeting, just product that make money even while you sleep. Here's how it works. You use AI tools to create digital products that help people save time or become more productive. Things like ChatGPT Prompt Pack, Notion productivity planners, Canva business templates, resume or social media templates. People are actively searching for those every day on marketplace like Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip. And the best part, you can make them using free tools. Here's the process. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas and write your content. For example, ask it, give me 50 ChatGPT prompts for business owners or create a daily planner layout for students. Then use Canva or Notion to design your templates and make them visual appealing. Once you are done, upload your product to Etsy or Gumroad, set your price, and that's it. Your product is ready to sell. Even if you start small, say you sell a $5 Notion planner. Once you get 100 buyers, that's $500 from one product. And that's income keep coming even when you are not working. If you want me to make a complete tutorial on how to create and sell AI templates step by step, comment AI templates below and I'll show you exactly how to do it from scratch. Before you click away, let me leave you with this. AI is not just replacing jobs, it's creating new ones every single day. And the people who take action now are the ones who will build real financial freedom in the next few years. If this video helped you or opened your eyes to new income opportunities, go ahead and drop a comment below, share your favorite AI income stream, hit that like button so more people can discover this video, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides on how to make money online using AI tools. And before you go, don't miss my other video, 12 AI hacks to grow your online business in 2025. It's packed with practical beginners-friendly tips to help you earn faster and smarter this year. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. See you. Peace. Bye.